My neck, my back, my neck, my back, the deep good my neck, my back, my neck, my back, the deep good my back, my back, my back, my back, the deep good my back, my back, my back. First you gotta put your neck on neck, shake your head, don't stop, don't neck on neck, all you ladies get that neck on neck.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the empty apartment tour. I literally just got my keys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around. Are you gonna get on my camera? No, babe. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the apartment, and then we're gonna start moving our stuff in. So let's get it. So this is our front door. So when you walk in, it comes into our dining room, which I really love the floors. They're brand new flooring, so you walk right into the dining room area. We also have these lights up here that are updated, and they're dimmer lights, so you can just turn them on and off easily, make it brighter, make it darker. So I really like that. On this side is just a wall where we can put like an entry table if we want it. So as you walk into the apartment, you see the kitchen and you see the living room, as well as like a small hallway leading to another room. So, and they definitely gave me a card and some waters and some tissues, so that was sweet. White cabinets, here's the sink, a dishwasher, the stove, refrigerator. And then if you keep walking straight, you come into the laundry room area, which is really nice. It's big. Oh, here are some doors that they said are optional. We can put on or take them off. So yeah, that's a little area up there where it could be a door, which is right here. So she said if we want the doors, they'll put them on, but behind the doors is some storage. So a lot of different racks. So yeah, this is the laundry area, and when you walk out the laundry area, you walk right back into the kitchen, leading to the dining room. So yeah. So after you leave the dining room area and you turn, again, this is just walking out the kitchen, and then here's the living room area. You can go ahead and continue to walk, and when you walk this way, you're walking onto the first bedroom and bathroom. So here's the bathroom number one. Hey y'all. And then I also have the medicine cabinet. A little bit of storage space. This is a smaller one, so this will be the guest bathroom and the bathroom that I primarily use to get ready. And then there's two entrances. You can go through that way to get to the first bedroom, or you can keep walking straight, which we're gonna do, and get to the bedroom. Y'all, this is so beautiful. So it has a ceiling fan, and then the room is pretty big. This is what we're gonna convert into our office. So yeah, let me go to the corner of the room so y'all can kind of see how big the first bedroom is. And like I said, you can get to the bathroom that way or that way. So yeah, this is the first bedroom. And then if you come this way, here's the first closet. So it's not as big as the second closet, but it is a walk-in. So they already have shelving installed, which is nice. So I can put my clothes, like longer dresses up there. This will be my closet. Baby has way more stuff than me, so she's gonna get the master closet, but this is perfect for me. I can put all my shoes down here. And yeah, so this is the first bedroom. Give you guys one more look. Again, y'all, I'm obsessed with these floors. So when you get to walk out of the first bedroom, which will be our office, you will run into the living room. So the living room is a really decent size. At first I was telling baby I thought it looked small, but now I'm looking at it, it is a pretty good size. So it comes with a ceiling fan, and the walls are kind of like a cream color. And then there is our patio and patio door, which is really nice. We can see the pool from our apartment. And then here's my favorite part, y'all, the fireplace. I'm so excited. At first I wasn't gonna get a fireplace, and then they surprised me and there was a fireplace here. So there's the fireplace. Baby's gonna put the TV up there. Y'all, it's gonna be lit. And again, here's our patio. Once we do our furnished apartment tour, I'll go out here and show you guys, but there is a storage unit that we can store our things in as well, like Christmas trees and stuff like that. So yeah. So this is the living room. And then going into the master bedroom, it's a really nice size as well. I'm gonna come to the corner of the room. So I'm at the corner of the room, and this is how big it is. This one does not have a ceiling fan, which kind of sucks, but me and baby have a fan already, so we'll just have it. But it's a really nice size, y'all. It's a really nice size. And I like the fact that there's new hardwood installed in all of the apartment except the bedrooms. I really like that. So then here's the master bathroom. Just a tub. Obviously we're gonna go in and clean a toilet, the cabinets, a mirror. And this bathroom also has a medicine cabinet. And then lastly, I'm gonna take y'all into baby's closet. Like I said, baby has way more clothes and shoes than me, so she's gonna get the master, and it is huge. So this is how big the closet is. This closet also comes with shelving already installed, which is good for her, so she can put her hats and whatever else. So yeah, I'm literally in the closet, and let's see how many steps I walk to get out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y'all, I can walk in here 6 times. So yeah, it's a huge freaking closet. So I really like that, and it's gonna be good for her. So yeah, guys. It's like the perfect size for us. One last little glance. So guys, I just wanted to bring you a really quick video of me and baby's empty apartment tour. We really like it, and we're just excited to like move in and get everything rolling. Leave some comments down below and tell me if you guys like it.
Keys, I got them keys. I got them keys. I got them keys.
Guys, I came back really quickly because I was about to end the vlog with just like the apartment tour, but I thought I would add in like a couple of the items that I've already purchased for our apartment to kind of get us started. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys those things. I love to organize, and so does a baby. So I got this 4-piece bin set from DD's discount, y'all. So you get 4 pieces. You get a large bin, a small bin, a can dispenser, and an egg holder. Y'all, this was $11.99, usually $16.99. So this can start us off with organizing our refrigerator. We also have some Dawn dishwashing liquid and some Dial soap. So that's one of the first things I got from DD's. I also got this 6-piece knife set, and it comes with scissors. And it's just me and baby, so I didn't want to get anything too big. This is perfect for us. I also got this from DD's discount, and it was $9.99. Y'all, this same thing at Walmart is like $15. The next thing I got is a mixing bowl set. It's a 10-piece from Frigidaire. So it's 10 bowls, and they have different color tops. So I got that, and it was at DD's for $3.99. I also grabbed us a candle because me and baby both love candles, and it says "Be Joyful in Hope," and the scent is ambered oak moss. Y'all, when I say this smells so good, and I really like it because it has like this hanging cross, so pretty. And lastly, what I got was I went ahead and got everything for our bathrooms. So baby picked out this gray, black, and white shower curtain, and I got this black and white bathroom set. It's 4-piece bathroom set, soap dispenser, lotion dispenser, and everything. This was $7.99 from DD's discount, and her curtain was $4.99. And then for the guest bathroom, which will be my bathroom, I got this super cute, let me see if I can get the colors, y'all, because it's so cute. Let's see. I got this super cute shower curtain. This is what it looks like. It was $6.99. And then I got this blush pink bath mat set. I still have to get some soap dispensers for the guest bathroom, but I think I want to do clear. So yeah, that's what we have so far. And lastly, throughout. I just got like little stuff to start us off. So I got this soap to go in here to kind of match the theme. And, you know, just the toilet cleansers. Got this from Dollar Tree. Angel Soft toilet paper is what the apartment actually gave us. So that really concludes the apartment tour slash necessity haul. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Thank y'all for watching. Reporting live from the internet. Signing out. I'll see y'all in my next video. Deuces. I already got like some things to get us started. So I love to organize, and so does a baby. So I got this 4-piece bin set from Dee Dee's Discount, y'all.